其中一個作想像中嘅香港生活就係嚟踢波。人生第二個感動應該係而家。
너무 좋은데 여기? 我想喺香港住啊。
超神奇有人認得我哋，然之後問佢在唔在。
She's so kind to let you in, but if you play so terrible, 咁點算啊？
好 fun. Everybody's just so chill. It's fun to play with. 下年2月我想返香港 and do the half marathon.
咁突然嘅？
周潤發到咗呢個。
約咗馬拉松 because of 周潤發。
And I thought it was a good idea.
其中一個作想像中嘅香港生活就係嚟踢波啦。今日終於第一次可以踢波啦，我就一路都唔知啦。但係 Josh 揾完之後咧，佢發覺原來好難 join 足球啦，即係好多都係 team。佢終於揾到跑馬地，原來咧馬場裡面係有得踢波同埋打籃球嘅。What's the group name?
Casual Football Network. This is a website.
應該係任何人都可以 join 嘅。But are you nervous?
Oh yeah, very much. 但係我 nervous 因為我想打踢波。
Is the difference between E and I know. We want to cancel all the appointments.
Because it's my first time playing in Hong Kong. I don't know their skill level. I've never seen people play in Hong Kong before. Because if I play in Korea, I know like exactly what the average skill level is, and I'll just fit right in. In Hong Kong, I just have no idea. I don't know if like Hong Kong people are generally better in football or not. I also asked a couple of my Hong Kong friends, and they don't know this network either. In a way, it could be the expats, like group of people, not the locals. 이름 sign up list 봤는데 I've seen a lot of Hong Kong names too.
Oh, 所以係好多 foreigners name 咩？ I thought they were all Hong Kong people. But you want to play with local, right?
Playing in Hong Kong is more important than just finding, like a locals to play with.
佢揾到呢個 website 仲要係每一場有吉嘅位先至可以報名。
Because every day there's a limit of how many people can join. 20-something people per game.
哇，去呢度 happy 喎，
係啊，
勁好笑！真係如果唔係因為 Josh 話會有機會嚟馬場，
我最여기야.
勁開心仔喎佢。
This is crazy.
應該除咗同我結婚嘅時候，佢人生第二個感動應該係而家咯。哦，係幾大㗎原來。
와, 나 소름 돋아.
내가 더 신기해. 내가 같이 왔다는 거.
저기 연습하는데 저런 거 너무 좋아 보여. 진짜 나 너무 하고 싶어.
佢話唔該晒你啊！
我想喺香港住啊，너무 좋은데 여기?
佢其實約咗7:9，6點半 arrive 咗咯，因為佢話想去參觀。
Remember I told you I'm kind of nervous because I don't know who I'm going to be playing with? I mean, the difference between me playing in Korea and here is that in Korea, I only get to play against Koreans. To be honest, Asian들 체격이 비슷해. Even the guy's big, it's not that big. In Hong Kong, there's a lot of外國人. So I mean, like they're just built different.
有小食亭啊！原來呢度仲有一個高少少觀景台可以咁樣望落去。因為嗰個 website 咧係有好多個唔同嘅時間啦，跟住而家呢個時間就係有第二 team 喺度玩緊，佢就喺度觀察緊。
Pan looks like local Hong Kong people. The other half is like 外國人.
其實如果想再 local 啲，即係譬如我哋屋企附近灣仔球場咁樣，可以點樣加入咧？到而家都唔知。
Just for you to find me easier. The long pants. And the socks outside.
我想講呢個係人生第一次睇人睇波。
Do you want me to come with you or do you want to come
Yes.
along?
點解要我 come with you？
혹시 가면 좋잖아. 난 혼자 괜찮은데.
我唔知喺度做乜嘢。有少少雨粉嘅關係，好凍，好在我醒，但係鏡緊，同埋着咗佢外套。其實呢度淨係得我一個人喺度坐喺度睇佢踢波，冇人㗎。我覺得我真係一個好好老婆。老公話想做乜嘢都陪佢。其實係咪個個男仔都中意女仔睇自己打波踢波嘅咧？但係應該唔係個個女仔都中意睇波。痛啊！呢度而家點算啊？
Somebody
哦
take more. Need 我呢度. It's like the last 5 minutes.
Pasta, I filmed it.我哋만족했어?
I liked it. The only bad thing about these type of like pickup games, 너무 disorganized. Yeah. It's like kicks the ball and then everyone just runs.
So everybody does what they want to do.
It's like no pass play, no chemistry. Like, nobody knows each other, right?
哦。而家有個人行路趌下趌下。
冇問題啊！
琴日佢踢波喺最後嗰幾分鐘，俾一齊爭波嗰個人嘅膝頭哥一爭咁樣鬆咗佢大髀。哦，喵你！我琴日已經叫佢買藥膏嚟捽㗎啦，跟住琴日死都喺度逞強，又冇事啊！今日痛啦， 重點今日我哋要去行山，瘀咗。係咪你個 first time to use this 虎標啊？原來虎標係有分紅色同白色，紅色係防肌肉痛咯。我而家勁大陣藥油味，一陣搭車點算啊？
你而家有冇魚啊？有冇種？
有啊，瘀咗。見我啊！
我就係話我隻踢波都係咁。
然之後佢頭先喺度問我話：你同邊個喺度講嘢啊？跟住我諗住扮嘢，我同佢講我唔係講緊你啲嘢。然之後我同翻佢講就話其實我係同 Kiki 講啊。我仲以為你會因為自尊心跟住唔想我同佢哋講添。跟住佢話係啊，我梗係有自尊心咯。
冇問題，I'm gonna walk the whole thing。
好啦，我哋今日咧其實就係去行龍脊，因為我係基本上係冇乜點行過山嘅人，對於新手嚟講，跟住應該行一個最容易嘅路線，喺筲箕灣搭巴士過嚟，大概3個字，原來都幾快就到。我哋到咗入口啦，我好似空氣幾新鮮，吸下天地靈氣。因為我當初以為 Josh 講話行山係講笑，所以我行李係冇執啲咩嗰啲防風外套。但好彩平時都着開波鞋同埋啲鬆身嘅褲，行得都舒服。同埋呢個係新手行咁，所以我覺得應該唔大問題。真係趌下趌下，而家點搞啊？哇！我哋上到嚟5分鐘都未有，就已經見到個靚景咯。
Okay, finish.
咦，我哋唔係到咗啦咁樣？
係我哋到咗啦，我哋走啦。行咗10分鐘已經熱咗。啊，第一個觀景台，哇，得啦，完啦，走去得啦，打卡，快啲。喂，有冇搞錯啊啲人？哇，冇咩不得。哇！但係都 OK，我哋行咗半個鐘，但係已經見到好多靚景，但係比想象中多石咯，我覺得。係咪叫石路定泥路？哇，又係一紮嘅石咧呢度有。但係頭先都見到好多人着裙嚟，所以好似唔使太擔心個難度。
但係頭先佢着 Adidas 嗰個 Stan Smith 即係勁平底嘅鞋。
啊，我冇睇到鞋，我淨係睇到裙，小白鞋同埋大長裙咯，應該係上嚟打卡嘅。哇，好靚喎呢度！哇，其實好似好近啫喎。哇，其實好快喎！即係如果唔休息上嚟，應該真係半個鐘就會到呢度。但係而家 Josh 行下，跟住佢話隻腳已經冇事。
I told you，冇問題啊。
到啦到啦，能見度勁低，而家後面係乜都 P 圖上去咯。其實。
你진짜 밑에 아무것도 없고요.
I don't think I'm interested in hiking.
오늘 같이 와서 좋았잖아.
係咩？
Thanks, I liked it. 唔該晒你，
多謝晒你。
多謝晒你同我一齊行山。
我係咪一個好好嘅 wife？
係啊，喂，你真係要 exercise 多啲。
我哋行咗大概1個鐘左右咯。我本身唔係成日行山，所以我覺得1個鐘對我嚟講係剛剛好。可能再行多啲或者係再難行啲嘅，我應該就要即刻翻屋企休息。因為通常啲人行完龍脊咧就會落嚟筲箕灣東大街食嘢。我哋而家都肚餓咯，所以我哋就行緊過去。其實唔講大家可能唔知道，其實我媽喺某一年係曾經搬過嚟筲箕灣，2019年左右。雖然我唔係成日翻嚟香港啦，咁但係我都有翻嚟探我媽噶嘛，咁所以對呢度係有少少嘅印象嘅。但我嗰陣唔知道原來筲箕灣係有好多好嘢食，我更加唔知道東大街係出名嘅。嗰陣就完全冇食到好嘢啦，有少少可惜。我有少少腳震啦而家。
跟住揾呢啲鋪頭坐下先，睇下先。
你有冇腳震先？
冇腳震，但係好攰咯隻腳。
勁廢啊！咪直接行個山仔腳震。哦，原來呢邊係餐廳度，我以為掃街 feel 添。啊，一豬扒，聽個名覺得好正。第一次食呢啲，唔係脆嘅魚皮。好似係海蜇啊！緊張啊，緊張啊！但係我覺得個湯咧，清湯再另外加酸辣落去嗰個感覺，而唔係即係半身酸辣。佢個辣係有少近近地嗰啲啊。好味好味！香港啲豬扒唔知點解可以做到好嫩好滑。好飽，但係而家我哋又行到嚟呢一個傳說中嘅低調高手，哇！有甜酸苦辣都有晒咯。我哋買完之後超多人排隊而家後面。我要買麻薯波波，要個朱古力 ，thank you。超中意食麻薯波波啊！
好齊啊我哋咩啊？
哇！
佢裡面係真係有一半軟㗎，我後面仲係有好多人喺度。但係少可惜，我中意有砂糖嘅 version。佢有咩？
溶晒啊，可能
真係㗎，嗰種脆口，佢而家溶晒。
佢夠熱啊嘛，所以熱到啲糖溶晒啊。
佢個腦咪唔得，咩住？
我去過格仔名。
係咪啊？ 而家我哋步向緊修頓球場，因為大家記唔記得係執行你個 vlog 度，跟住佢話佢想打波啦。但係因為其實我哋嚟咗香港咁多日咧，一路都未有時間，好忙。始終打波咧，對於佢嚟講咧，唔係佢 first priority。一路都覺得得閒先啦，經過咪去咯。而家心態就係、如果可以載到就載到，即係我就完全唔知點樣跟隊嘅。哇，好多人啊！我見到啲咁多人。好緊張。I feel nervous again.
點解？
So many people here. 我坐喺呢度等你好唔好？
웃긴 것 같아. 나 한국이야. 근데 왜 홍콩 있다 이런 것도 안 와봤어.
我唔識㗎呢啲。보는 여자도 많지. 나는 안 보는 편이지. 我 only 係女仔 friends 啊，我乜都唔知。
係咩？
見到有好多人都有籃球，一兩丁人咁樣，但係 full 曬，所以佢哋都喺旁邊等緊。點啊？
哦，係。
見到佢咗跑馬死馬場，我都睇下會唔會撞到你哋。
佢一路好想喺度 join，但係佢唔知點樣 join 啊，又冇幫我哋。佢 ready 㗎。
跟住咁啱又見到你，我覺得成件事好巧合。
咁先嘅。
係喎。
係啊，係個 so lucky.
超神奇有人認得我哋，然之後問佢 join 唔 join。
Was so nice because she asked first.
How do people recognize us？ 係咪其實一睇就只係我哋咧？我成日覺得大家係認得 Josh 先，or maybe because I'm holding a camera. Are you good at 籃球？ I've never seen you playing basketball.
The last
What if you're playing so bad？
then they'll probably kick me out.
你根本係面皮，唔得喎咁樣。She's so kind to let you in, but if you play so terrible， 咁點算啊 ？You never thought of this problem 咩？
No, I thought I was just gonna be playing with like 2-3 people. The last time I played a game like this was when I was in grade 8.
十幾歲啊？
20幾年前，我係 school basketball teammates 咗。
好緊張 ，What if you play so terrible？
I'm scared.
哦，終於可以打到波啦，開心仔而家。啊，好多人特登傳波俾 Jo， 所以我覺得係咪因為知道佢想玩呢？而家喺度睇咗15分鐘左右，都 OK 嘅，唔係 terrible 嘅。同埋覺得佢運動細胞真係好啊！即係佢雖然話20幾年冇打，但係佢係即刻上手咗啦。
好攰。
괜찮아.
괜찮아. 띵띵띵띵띵.
근데 되게 빠르다. Like
축구보다 빠르게.
20 minutes. 끝이야?
아, 나 진짜 못하겠어. 하면은 이제 나 민폐돼.
Maybe see you next time.
Yeah.
See you in YouTube.
Yeah.
好啊，你個 bucket list
My
another
list.
check。
好 fun 啊！我中意香港 like soccer, basketball, badminton. Everybody's just so chill. It's fun to play with. Soccer, it's just people are more open to other people, you know, like it's willing to like talk to each other. And 我返香港，我想 practice running a bit. 下年2月，我想返香港 and do the half marathon.
馬拉松點解啊？
Somebody DM'd me and then told me to try marathon, like half marathon in Hong Kong. Thought it was pretty cool.
咁突然嘅？
抽完發到咗呢個。
約咗位馬拉松比較實周潤發。
And I thought it was a good idea.
你而家 start practice 跑 ？Start from now 啊？真係㗎 ？Are you serious？
About marathon?
哦
Yeah.
OK，下年你真係自己一個嚟啦。
同我一齊嚟咩？
I will be watching in Korea。